It's kind of disgusting in here.
It's a new weirdo every
I'm being generous with what I'm showing you.
For my seeds, no care for the IG, just no care.
This is my bathroom right now so that I can figure out what needs to be washed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and welcome to a day in my life. Well, productive day in my life. That's what today's video will be. In today's video, I need a productive day. My apartment is a hot mess, as you can see behind me. And honestly, that's not even the worst of it. So in today's video, I will be taking you guys along with me through my to-do list, because honestly, vlogging is the only way I'm productive. This is everything I need to do. Yeah, so stay tuned and let's get into this video. So like I said, this is what my apartment looks like right now. It looks like a hot mess. I need to take all of this stuff down. So this is my weekend from work, so all of this stuff needs to be taken down. Also, I'm not even gonna show you guys my refrigerator. It's a hot mess, but I also need to go grocery shopping, so that's what I'm about to do as well. This is my bathroom right now because I just did my hair. And honestly, this is the worst part. I went out like 3 times last week, and so I'm being generous with what I'm showing you in my closet, but this is my closet. And I'm not even gonna show you my room, mainly because I'm not done decorating it, so I can't really spoil that for you. But just know my room needs to be cleaned too. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, you guys get to see my furniture. So if you watched my last vlog, you saw me put this together, and I literally love it. I might get some more stuff for the shelf today and for this, but that will go in another vlog. So in this vlog, it might just appear. But yes, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna start with the easiest 2 things, which is dishes and laundry. Dishes are done, and now I feel like I should start in here, start in the closet, so that I can figure out what needs to be washed. So I took a quick little pit stop. I think the last thing I was doing was cleaning my closet. And I went and got groceries, so now I get to put that up. And I think I put the clothes in a washing machine, but didn't actually start the washing machine, so I'm gonna do that now. The washing machine is going, and the dishwasher has stopped a long time ago, because like I said, I went to go grocery shopping and pick things up. Now, onto the refrigerator, which everything in the refrigerator pretty much has to go. It's been sitting in here for a while, and honestly, it's kind of disgusting in here. Like my hair mask, I don't even feel like dumping that out and keeping the container, so trash. These mushrooms have been in there for a while. This onion in the container, I don't feel like washing any of this. This broccoli has definitely been in here for a while. That's literally the reason it's here, but it can go in the trash. And I don't know if you saw my other vlog, but my sister got me these cups that were on my wish list, as well as these utensils. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the cups so I can put them where it goes. And I'm also going to finally put my blender where it goes, because I don't think I'm gonna leave it on the counter. It's not even open yet. So I think I'm just going to put it above the refrigerator. Literally the easiest part, because everything has a place. So it's genuinely just a bunch of organizing, and I straightened my hair yesterday, so there's like hair everywhere that I'm about to sweep up. I don't know. A lot of people think cleaning the bathroom is hard, but I actually clean my bathroom, like the toilet, the tub, the sink, all that stuff pretty often. So it's actually never hard for me. And we're all done. Everything is completely clean. Also, this is an update on the closet for now until I get the little container to hold my shoes and everything. As you can see, it's clearly filling up. So yeah, I need to get that container as soon as possible. But these are all for sale, and then this is for sale. So yeah, the closet looks so much better. I can at least walk through now.
No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong.
Okay, so I'm finally done. Everything is completely clean. It looks so much better behind me. Oh my goodness. I actually didn't realize how bad it had gotten just because, you know, I'm almost never really here. So it looks so good though. You kind of just saw my friend come in the last clip, and she invited me to go to the pool. So that was perfect timing. I took down the trash and now I'm done. So yes, that is actually going to conclude this cleaning productive day video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time. Bye guys.